Step into a world where elegance whispers through every detail, and silence itself feels luxurious. This is not merely a house site, it is a living story carved in marble, wrapped in velvet, and illuminated by golden light. The first step inside greets you with a cascade of light falling from a chandelier, its crystals scattering warmth across polished marble floors. Here, the promise of grandeur begins. The staircase rises like a sculpture, curving with grace, inviting one to ascend not only in height, but in experience. Its railing, gilded and intricate, holds the weight of timeless craftsmanship. The living room breathes space. Velvet sofas rest beneath tall windows, where daylight paints shifting patterns on walls dressed in quiet sophistication. By the hearth, a fire glows against carved stone. The warmth is not just of flame, but of memorial space where stories could linger as embers fade into night. Above, chandeliers shimmer like frozen constellations, their brilliance commanding attention while still yielding to the hush of the room. In the dining room, time slows. A polished table stretches forward, its surface reflecting crystal glasses, each one a vessel waiting for laughter, for celebration, for memory. Chairs stand in quiet elegance, their carved frames and velvet cushions not merely for comfort, but for ceremonial place where presence itself is honored. The kitchen fuses utility with artistry. Marble counters glisten, while light glides across stainless steel. Here, creation becomes ritual, and every meal, a performance. A corner bathed in morning sunlight becomes a sanctuary of stillness. Coffee, silence, and a view luxury not in abundance, but in intimacy. The library hums in silence. Books tower to the ceiling, each one a doorway. Here, thought itself becomes architecture, and wisdom fills the air like incense. At the study, shadows and light converse. A desk of dark wood stands ready for ideas, while a leather chair waits like a throne for the mind. The bedroom, intimate yet regal. A canopy bed stands beneath layers of drapery, where rest is not escape, but arrival into serenity. A walk-in closet reveals itself as a gallery of fashion. Fabrics breathe color and texture, curated like art awaiting their stage in the world beyond. The bathroom whispers indulgence. A marble tub reflects the glow of candles, where water becomes not necessity but sanctuary. A vanity rests against the wall, perfumes aligned like jewels. The mirror returns not just reflection, but ritual, a space where transformation begins. The guest room does not shout, but welcomes softly. Its simplicity is clothed in refinement, where every detail exists to honor presence. Beyond, the balcony stretches into the night. The city lies below like a constellation reborn, while silence above speaks of freedom. Through glass doors, the garden whispers green. Nature becomes part of the interior, blurring the line between built and born. The hallway is not a passage but a gallery. Paintings stand in hushed reverence, each frame a window to another world. The music room holds a grand piano, its black surface gleaming. When touched, its keys carry the weight of silence breaking into song. A private theater, where cinema meets sanctuary. Plush chairs hold the body in comfort, while the screen invites the soul to wander. The wine cellar lies beneath, cool and timeless. Bottles line the shelves like guardians of forgotten seasons, each cork a seal on memory. The lounge hums with intimacy. Leather embraces softly in the dim light, where conversation flows slower, deeper. A bar gleams with crystal bottles catching light like gems. Here, night lingers, stories pour, and time loses its edge. Stained glass breaks sunlight into color, scattering beauty across the walls like whispers of sacred art. The rooftop terrace opens to sky and horizon. Here, stars themselves seem invited to sit, to breathe, to stay a while. Water lies still in the pool, a sheet of glass reflecting chandeliers above. A single ripple could awaken the dream into motion. Even strength finds elegance here. A private gym, where discipline meets design, and effort feels embraced by beauty. Behind a hidden door, a secret chamber unfolds quiet, concealed, a reminder that luxury is not only what is shown, but what is kept. And as twilight drapes itself over the home, the house stands as more than architecture. It is presence, memory, and poetry in stone. A dwelling not of walls, but of wonder.